I burned the toast. I burned the toast. Oh no, it's burning! Ugh, I can't believe it. My bag is too heavy. This bag is so heavy. Why did I bring all these books? It's like carrying a boulder. I sent the wrong message. I sent the wrong message. Oh no, I sent it to the wrong person. This is a disaster. What do I do? I can't believe this. I took the wrong bus. I took the wrong bus. I can't believe I did that again. This is so inconvenient. The car won't start. Come on, start already. Not again. Why won't you turn over? I'm running late. Oh no, I'm so late. Come on, pick up the pace. I can't miss this. I chose the wrong size. I chose the wrong size. Why does this always happen to me? So annoying. I dropped my ice cream. I dropped my ice cream. This is the worst day ever. Why me? So unfair. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Oh no, I can't believe I did that. This is the worst. I can't find my wallet. It's not here. I can't find it. Oh man, this is the worst. I woke up late. I woke up late. Oh no, it's 10:45 already? My alarm didn't even ring. This is the worst. I'm so late. No, not 1%. My battery is almost dead. My shoes are wet. They're squishing with every step. The shop is closed. Why is it always closed when I come? There's no internet. Why is the internet down again? This is so annoying. I'm stuck in traffic. This is taking forever. My money is gone. I can't believe this. How could I be so careless? My order is wrong. This isn't what I ordered. Did I mess up? The power is out. Now what? This is so annoying. The elevator isn't working. Why does this always happen to me? I can't open the file. Why won't this open? Is it my fault? I dropped my phone. I dropped my phone! Oh no! My phone! How could I be so clumsy? This is the worst! Please be okay. My screen is cracked. How could I be so careless? I spilled my coffee. I spilled my coffee.
My new sweater! What a mess.
The bus left without me. Wait! No, come back! This can't be happening. Now what do I do?